Stop filled.
Yeah. Still testing trend line though. VX popping over this 15. Apple falling at a key level. I'm gonna go short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see what we can see from there. Let's see if we can get a nice drop. There we go. Stop is already break even. Oh, I'm I'm all messed up over here. Hold on. See, this is what's keeping me in this is I can flip script like this. I say it all the time. I have zero problem flipping script. I'm going to take some profit out in here. VX still rises. We see a nice fall. And I said for everyone to get short at 17,867 also. And I didn't follow my plan. I would have been short all the way up here, which would have been insane. All right, we're seeing some buying on the tape. We're gonna keep it cool though. We're gonna keep it cool. We're not going to get out early because of fear. Like I said, stop is break even. It's like $20 profit or something, which covers, you know. I can just flip the script like this. That's what's needed. You can't always be biased one way. You have to do what the charts are telling you. Right now, VX is breaking 15. Apple is falling on its face. Meta is also coming down. These are key things that'll help. All right, I'm selling
Order filled.
one con there. Come on, let's see more weakness on the tape. There we go. A little more.
Order
Another
filled.
one out there. Go 3 cons now. VX is holding this 15, but it's really trying to bounce back. If it goes underneath, I think I might just call it early. Apple's really falling on its face. Tesla's actually getting a nice bounce to it. This is why we're holding. Nvidia's also falling. Tesla needs to just find some sellers in here, and I think we dump really hard. Yeah, my stop is going to get moved to there. Now I got rid of 2 cons, so I can always add if I see more weakness, you know. I should have added on that pop up there, but it's fine. Apple's just it's free falling. There has not been a green candle in 10 minutes, and it's like a micro green followed by like another 10 red is crazy. Apple just dropped $2 in 13 minutes. It's wild. Come on, fall and break this wick. Break that wick. Break it. Break it. Insane sellers right there.
Order
I'm out
filled.
another contract. Only 2 cons now. All right, what are we looking at? VX falling. Yeah, VX is not holding this 15. It's got to really come back. You see this spike as soon as we drop underneath? That is what I am worried about. All right, we're going to try something here with all that volatility. See if we can print.
Order filled.
All right, I added one more con here. Let's get that drop. Buyers are
Order
supporting it.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out on that trade. $2,000 trade. Heck, we can even long this at this point, in my opinion.
Order filled.
All right, we're trying this long now. Stop is just going to be at low a day right here. Hold just underneath it.
Stop filled.
All right. Just got wrecked.
Order filled.
All right. Let's try long in this 1800 area. Looking for some moves back up.
Order filled.
Added another con here. Stop gets moved up. There we go. VX backs off. Apple comes back up. Let's see this move up really good. Stop is now break even. Trade is risk free at the moment. I want to see this hold of this 17,800 level, obviously. I want to see us break through these sellers up here. The next moon up would be here. I'll take some profits in 17,840. And then I'll leave maybe one or two runners all the way up to this area. One runner here. And then we can even see, if we squeeze that, we can even see 17,900, which will be a 100-point trade for us, which will be pretty good. I'll probably pull one con out up here if we don't immediately just find a nice break. Squeeze them. Let's see, nice squeeze. And
Order filled.
I'm out one right there.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out one more right there. I will be taking one at this trend line, one over here, and one at 17,900.
Order filled.
All right, one more out there at that trend line. We have a retracement. I have no problem to add. All right, I just stated I want to see this area in here, 17,825. I want to see this hold. If we have a small retracement in here, if I see some holding in here as we're coming down, I'll possibly add another two contracts in here for an average about in here, and then look to take it back up even more. Scaling into my winners. That's how you do it. I mean, we could see a rally off of this right here. We possibly don't even have to see 17,825. But it's a little too soon for me to add, in my opinion. Meta's breaking out. Apple's breaking out. Tesla's sky high. Nvidia's just, it's wedging here, which is the problem. So during that wedge, we might consolidate. And then we might see a breakout of everything for the next move to 17,870 and then 17,900. With my last two contracts, take profit 1, take profit 2. I'm going to put my stop down here now. We're looking at 17.20. Now this is also a possible area right here. You see the middle of this wedge right here might have some sellers in it. As you can see, we're coming down a little bit. Not much selling on these bars though, which is actually surprising right now. All right, we're starting to slow down a little bit here. So with that being said, we might end up getting a small retracement, find more buyers in here, and then come back around. I hope we just go straight up, like I said, but we'll see how it goes. Once we pass this area in here, we're going to then hopefully get more buyers in on the tape to squeeze this out. Then we're going to squeeze the shorts, which they're going to have to buy back in this area. So we should see a big volume spike, and then I want to just get straight up to 17,900 when we see that big volume spike. Now we might fake both ways. We might come up a little bit. Everyone's going to buy. They're going to tank us down. Everyone's going to get short. Whoever doesn't get short has to cover their positions also, and then we're just going to rally back up. That's usually what happens. Just mess everybody up. But us, we are safe because we got in early. We spotted the reversal. And yeah, that's it. So what I'm seeing right now is VX slowly coming back around, which I don't like. I might just exit right here and then see if I can get in at a better price if we end up falling. I'll let another couple candles play out unless we get a really bad candle. Yeah, this is going to flip red, this candle right here. We're running out of steam here. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Squeeze him. That's an ugly candle.
Order filled.
I'm out another con right there. Just because that candle's ugly as shit. Feeling we're going to get stopped out here, which is fine. Can always re-enter if I like. ES has to be dumping right now. Wow, not yet. VX is rising substantially. That's not right. That we're rising on both. Last time ES was at that level was when we were down here. You know, like 15 points away. That's weird. That's very weird. Volume spikes too. I think ES dumps here. Something's not adding up. Yeah, I might short ES right here. We're gonna get stopped out of this position. I'm just calling it right here.
Order filled.
That's looking very bad. Yeah, that was not adding up at all. Yeah, here comes the dump now. That's weird. So like ES is triple topping. We're moving up in the market, and VX is sky high with a lot of buying volume too. That doesn't add up at all. So I'm guessing ES is freaking dumping now. Yeah, there we go. So that's why I like to actively manage my trades. I mean, hell, we could hold this level that I was talking about holding before and go back up. But that's if that happens. If we do, you know, if we don't, we come back down. You know, I would have lost out on $700 profit. You know. So yeah, like I said, I mean 17,825, which I believe I said in the video. I also mentioned it to the premium Discord. I said I want to see 17,825 hold if we have a retracement, and I mean literally to the tick. Retracement to the tick. Now we're trading 25 points above, you know. But I just don't like that weird spike in VX. That's why I got out. But I'm perfectly happy with those profits right there. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's 10:23. I mean, less than an hour. Well, a little over than an hour in the market. But see if this trend line hold us down now.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in short here. I don't want to give away my profits, so I'm going to show you guys a technique that I use.
Order filled.
Short again here. I only want to risk about 200 bucks. So as we scale in,
order filled.
We bring the stop loss down.
Order filled.
And we risk 200 bucks. Just like that. I will be unloading one con in this area, maybe even two cons. This is going to be a very small trade. Stop is now break even. 200 bucks max risk, like I said. We're now, 4 or 5 times that, 6 times that. So it's a no-brainer to trade like that sometimes.
Order
Unloaded
filled.
one con right there. Now this is also a technique that I teach my premium members and my master course members.
Order filled.
Out another con there. We're going to cut it there, if anything. Find some buyers on the tape. We'll actually cut it here. Bring it up a little bit. Like I said, I have no problem flipping script. Unfortunately, if I would have added here, like my first and original thesis was, first off, I would have unloaded my contracts in here, at least 2 of them, 1 of them, whatever it would be. Just because of that weakness, like I said, that weirdness in VX. And I would have got stopped out here because my average position would have been somewhere right here. And there's no way I'm going from, we're about to get stopped out now, but there's no way I'm going from crazy profit to losing money
Stop filled.
on a trade. And 6,300, I will take that. 6,400, I guess. We're at $4,800 before. Now we're at 63. So we just made $1,500 from that on a max loss of $200. That's a 7 risk to reward, I hope you guys like those live trades. The theses I went on is everything that I sent out in my premium Discord. I told them exactly what I was thinking, how I just flipped the script right now because I saw VX rising with ES, and that's a weird reversal right there. When I see Apple, what I look at, I mention all of this in the moment in my premium Discord. So if you like what you see, give me a follow. All my links will be down below.